I'm so happy to be here, yeah. I'm just happy to be here. Still I know the world's on fire, the situation's dire. A lot of work and courage gonna be required, but I'm just happy to be here. I'm sure there's many versions inside this multiverse, where I put it in forward instead of in reverse. Or the technical skill I neglected to rehearse understandably landed me handedly in a world I hurt. It could be worse, I could be cursed to be living a life stuck on a different timeline, where I never find time to discover my path and never ask the questions that I needed to ask, and never sign the bottom line on my soul contract. And the multiple needs that just might be insignificant in this infinity, but still strumming the chords on a string theory. The only thing that's clear to me is I'm so happy to be here, yeah. I'm just happy to be here. Still I know the world's on fire, the situation's dire. A lot of work and courage gonna be required, but I'm just happy to be here. My body is a time machine, traveling through time and space at 60 minutes per hour. But my mind is like a trampoline, it lets me instantly bounce between different scenes of super strange superpower. It could get weird, I could appear like a ghost, visiting myself as a kid to let him know it's not that bad and he should learn to self-forgive. And I could go to my bedside near my death and just laugh with that old man as we enjoy my last breath. And the multiple needs that just might be insignificant in this infinity, but still strumming the chords on a string theory. The only thing that's clear to me is I'm so happy to be here, yeah. I'm just happy to be here. But on your darkest day, you can find your way when you've got a friend to help. And that's why I'm just happy that you're here, yeah. I'm just happy that you're here. And in the world gone mad and no one understands, I know you'll always be around to lend your hand. So I'm just happy that you're here.
You mock my pain!
Life is pain, Highness. Anyone who says differently is selling something.